We hungry. Like, we can't wait for the bus. We can't wait for Michi's food. Whatever it is, we can't wait. We hungry.
Sam's about to be $30 a day.
Like, I don't know. I'm not none of this bullshit. I don't know. Let's see. You cold?
I'm ready to smoke.
Starving. We finally about to leave. Actually, no, we're not. We just here. This shit was supposed to leave since 3. Y'all know what time it is? Let me show y'all. Black people never on time of night.
I just got it on Thursday. I just got 50 haircut. The movie
Yeah.
Oh, we got
everybody better pray. Tina, say a prayer. Christina, you know who.
I used to skip the front. I just chicken tenders get over like that.
Yeah, Chick-fil-A on a bus. Chick-fil-A on the bus. It ain't really nothing. You understand?
Yeah, he got his play. He going hard on me.
Katari ass. Come on.
You're not
Nigga make me look bigger than I already am.
Of course you guys.
Oh my God. I'm really dead ass.
High on this shit the whole time. But he said, it's not allowed. No weed. Yeah, we don't. No weed. Y'all gonna be alright. My weed smokers, y'all gonna be okay. If it's an hour and 20 minutes. So you can start scratching.
In 20 minutes, you can start scratching.
Alright. We need shot cups. Who got cups?
Oh shit.
Oh shit, he can't
I got
prepare.
you right now.
He can't prepare. Yeah, we out of here.
What's the name on it?
Cut.
The sexy gal I'm outside, the bougie gal I'm outside, the fairies outside. Come on.
So busy looking outside, I can't even fucking play the camera.
See how we go to the young.
Nah, that was
Girl, I wanna hold on to you tonight. Every time you walking out the club, I want you to be mine. Girl, I want you in my life.
Central. All my baddies coming outside that weekend. I want you to cover your face and do this next dance for me now. Cover your face, son. All my baddies coming outside before you wake. Can you do this dance for me? 1, 2, 3, let me go. Shut up.
Texas shots. Everything is bigger in Texas.
What's it called?
I'm scared. The bus is driving crazy. Hey! Wait a minute! I should get my shit. They got good niggas start acting up.
No, I need that. I got the wheel and the pocketbook.
No, we lit. They got the dog Julio that cut one.
So make me talk to the girls on the low, cause they can't control her. She said, take it easy, I love you. You don't have to. You don't have to.
Shot the clock, shot the clock, shot the clock, shot the clock, like. Oh.
Niggas on.
Let's go. Get in the middle, please.
Get in my head, nigga. Double dress that ass baby, baby. I love the way you bend it over and twerk it, baby. You can't try rapping on the Jesus. Wasn't your whole body? Now all of a sudden you know he's upside. Why's you wasting your time? Come in with me, girl, you know I don't mind. And you know that you're fine. So see your story, you post all the time. You were 10, that mean you drop. So I'm on your body, I'm on your spine. I'm not trying to be no. Young and I got hop on any beat to get the. I told her get up on her feet, she get the way she get the moving got me. Come on, baby, you got me get the. It was you be working with. What's the way to spurge shit? I just hit a spot, gotta take it off my shirt, straight it over what you working with. They can make you look the way you fucking on me. I ain't looking at me, the way you fucking. Trying to get the fuck in the white nuts. You can't see the white nuts. You can't see the white nuts. I'm tripping on the yachts. I'm tripping on the yachts. On the spots. I just think
Big Papa, yeah. I'm not sure this niggas take you on the same time.
Come on now. My bestie.
Sure.
She's drunk.
Yo.
Come on, we out.
Yo,
Wait, that's your blunt?
No, they cannot walk towards the chicks.
Oh, you cannot walk there with the blunt because it's not allowed.
Wait.
Wait.
Need it.
We outside. You already know the vibes, nigga.
Ever cared? You're smart.
Hello, bitch. If I put you in my fucking video, be appreciative, bitch. If I fuck you up, whole ass nigga.
All right.
What happened? Somebody need that?
Get that shit out of my face. No.
Oh, look. That sad shit coming out. You.
I talk to you. No, fuck you.
No, you were. I thought you were talking to somebody else. Ah! She's spit at me!
I love back it up. I probably the only way here, even more to get arrested, I probably left her more. I love
everybody. I don't care. We don't care. Nah, she's probably
Yes, bro.
We miss you, who's calling? Hold on. Who's calling? Oh, I'm doing calling.
You an embarrassment.
You heard what she said? You're an embarrassment. That's what she said. Embarrassment.
Yeah, this is too much.
Embarrassment. How y'all feel about the trip so far?
Hey, gorgeous.
Okay, hold on. Baddie. Let me get a 360. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I said you know.
I'm drunk.
I go good.
Where is she at?
What the theater fucking Tiggy?
Go. Take a shot. All right, take a shot.
Take a shot.
Come on.
Oh, lips to the bottle.
That little ass shot. I need
So y'all did that. Yeah, that's y'all friend?
The one in the red? Yeah, I don't know her.
Oh.
She seemed cool though. Boring. I'm walking and zigzagging shit because I'm fried.
I said I'm gonna try. What's up? You gotta get me like when I'm ready.
Nobody's ready. I'm catching everybody off guard.
Just tag it. They gonna see me.
Catching
Show them how to
everybody off
do shit.
guard.
He did take a chance.
I'm not gonna lie.
I was like, still made.
I'm catching everybody off guard.
Oh my God, you like that?
Oh, who are you?
They heard.
Who is that? Oh, how you get here?
That's the last thing.
Who got an issue? I hear my friend yelling. What's the issue? I hear my friend yelling from a mile away.
I'm trolling.
I hear my friend yelling from a mile away. I have to step up. What the fuck is the problem?
You want smoke break? A little bit more, yeah. A little bit more subtle.
I know sometimes. I want to take some. Shot o'clock. Hold on. Yeah.
I know what the fuck going on. Got my swing cap. We in swing cap.
Wait, no, fuck it. I'm just not gonna use one.
Well, I gave it to you.
The white one, right?
Yeah, where is
I'll
it?
use that one.
Where is it?
Kaya has it for me.
All right.
No, because you're basically wearing everything I'm wearing, so. Oh, fuck. Hey, this nigga Lace, look how he's standing. Nigga Lace. Oh, nah, she's stumbling. She got with your face. Oh, stumbling.
Look at him, female.
She over here doing it. I can't be included.
No. What the hell?
Damn.
Fucked up sleep, baby.
Nah, I'm in, I don't know about you. I don't know about you, but I'm good. I'm great.
So I'm over it.
You a lady? You a lady? What's up? You got a vagina? Oh my God, yeah. Wait, excuse me. Hold on. Excuse me, miss. We are going to the police. Excuse me, miss. Guys. All right. All right. What's your name? Say.
I know. I just want to
Say. Chichi.
Yes. I just want y'all to get no trouble. Nay.
Come on, we out, y'all. We out.
Try to get no trouble.
It's smoking.
Already know I wanna dance. Already know.
We out here.
I wanna see you bust down, pick it up, now break that shit down, speed it up.
And I knew she was a girl for me, like no other I see.
tripping, but I know what I want. Listen, this girl here is different. She got something that they want. Hold on, wait. Listen, she might be my lover. She makes me wanna, she don't care I go to the strip club. She wanna go too, and I never met a girl like you that makes me want. Wait, they told me to put it over. Hold on. It's a lot of girls up in this club. They want that good old groupie love. And it's hard as a man, but I know I can. She's the apple of my eye. Keep that body on top. I know I'm a player, but she might be Mrs. Right.